Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how you can make money, okay, or have a passive income with YouTube, okay. Let me show you 10 faceless ideas to make a YouTube channel, okay, in this year, and you don't need to show your face. This is my favorite option, okay, my favorite idea about driving cars, okay. These people only need drive with a POV camera in your chest or in your head. Now, 2 plus per week, 900 monthly earnings with a lot of views. This channel is about your earnings per week, okay. Maybe if you work in a restaurant or in a small shop or in building, I don't know, okay. You can show the people what are your earnings per week, okay. This is the best review or the best comment videos, okay. You don't need to use your face, only clips about your work or something like that, okay. This channel example is about Fiverr. He is a freelance and he show your work per week, okay. It's a great option, but this channel is he no upload videos per week, okay. This is another POV food job short videos, okay. Great videos, great option. These people works in a coffee store and she record or she make videos about your coffees, okay. When the people buy a coffee, she make example something like that, okay. Only put camera here and record this and compilation all clips. It's so easy. Sorry for my English, it's awful. 1 upload per week, okay. 1,500 monthly earnings and she has a lot of views, okay. He have two works, this work and this work. Unboxing ASMR, okay, but this is like Lego or I don't know how can name that, but is Vanguard full build dummy conversion. I don't know, but look at that. This is ASMR or relaxing video about building things like Lego, okay. $200 monthly earnings. If you like gym, you can make that videos, okay. She put something in your face, but it's a great option, okay. It's blogs, workout blog and eat blog is so great option. Always about the gym. You can find a lot channels about this theme, okay. It's a great option and trendy, okay. In this moment it's a trendy. She make videos without your face, okay. Faceless. It's a great option, okay. It's the best idea for girls, in my opinion. It's a great option for girls. Now 1 upload per week, and in this moment I don't know why I can watch here, okay, your monthly earnings, but she has a lot of views, okay. This channel is about GTA, okay. GTA 5 in this moment, release GTA 6 soon, okay. Now in this moment with this channel only need make videos sketch with mods, okay. GTA plus mods, okay. Plus 7 videos per week and make $70,000 monthly earnings. It's a great option, okay. Look at that, it's a great views. Another idea about simulator gaming, okay. These people have Forza Horizon 5 or 6 in this moment, and when your mechanic, okay, you're perfect in your house, make videos, long videos, okay, a lot videos. Can you watch? These people upload 4 videos per week and he make 4,000 monthly earnings, okay, with a lot of views. Walking in the street is another idea from another videos, okay, but in this time is the same way, okay. Walk but in game, okay. Crimson Desert, Hit, GTA, Far Cry, a lot games. You can make relaxing games, okay, a lot gameplays, okay, with great effect sounds, okay, for the people when work, okay. The people listen or watch these videos in your background, okay. 1 upload per week and 2,000 monthly earnings is a great option. SMR channel, okay. This is a great option with sun, okay, color sun. I don't know if you watched these videos before, but if you look or find these videos on TikTok, you can watch a lot views with that theme, okay. It's a great option and you can make a lot videos with only boy 2 or 3 color suns. It's a great option. 1 upload per week and $2,000. Okay, this is an Spanish channel, but it's a great idea because you can use your stream from your country, streamers from your country, or YouTubers. Okay, maybe Kaizenat, Show Speed, PewDiePie, I don't know. Okay, this is about 5 between streamers on YouTubers. Okay, it's a great option. This channel 4 uploads per week and made $2,000 early monthly earning. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I know that is awful. I just wanted to get more experience with me speaking. And have a good day and see you later.